I just got the Redmi 9T and it's broken. Hello guys, Valor Reviews here. This is my brand new Redmi 9T and I got this phone for 76,700 Naira or $176. While I was installing my apps and setting up my Google accounts, I wanted to try out the camera to see how good or bad it is and I got this message. How is the camera of a brand new smartphone not working? Who did I offend? I did a hard reset, I cleared the camera cache and data, I uploaded the MIUI version on this smartphone, installed Instagram, installed Gcam and nothing worked. Then I dialed these numbers, tested out the cameras and discovered that the main 48 megapixel camera was the problem. It failed the test. I mean, my initial impressions of this smartphone isn't a good one and I'm not saying you shouldn't buy this smartphone. All I'm saying is you should be careful. The display on this smartphone is a 1080p IPS LCD panel and looking at it, it doesn't look good. It isn't bright enough and outdoor visibility will suffer. The display on the Redmi 9T reminds me of the Redmi 9 and although it's a 1080p display, it isn't a good one. Now for performance, the Redmi 9T comes with a Snapdragon 662 chipset, 4GB of RAM and Adreno 610 GPU. It can play titles like PUBG with no lag but at the lowest settings. The moment you put it at balanced graphics and medium frame rate, the gameplay would not be fluid. I guess the Redmi Note 9S and the Poco X3 NFC have spoilt me. Those smartphones can play PUBG well. And if you're a gamer and you're looking at buying the Redmi 9T, I would say you should hold on for my full review. As for the cameras, I can't really say much, they're not working on my device. Moving on to the battery department, the Redmi 9T comes with a 6000 mAh battery and it wins the award for the lightest smartphone with a big battery. This smartphone weighs in at 199 grams. If you have the smartphone in your pocket, you won't notice it's there. It also comes with a 22.5 watts fast charger, but this smartphone can only suck out 18 watts as it supports only 18 watts fast charging. And how long does it take to charge this device from 0 to 100%? I'll advise you wait for my full review when I've replaced this device with a functioning one. So guys, this is my initial impressions of the Redmi 9T and so far so good, it hasn't been a good one. For 76,700 Naira or $176, I feel the Redmi 9 is a better buy as it comes with a faster processor, the MediaTek Helio G80 processor. This is the end of my initial impressions video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Valo, signing out.